What's up, guys? Anthony with Real American Outdoors, and today we're going to be talking about the adapter plate on the J54 54-inch Dozer Blade for the CASE Garden Tractor series. Before we start the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out and lets you know when we post a new video every Tuesday and Saturday. Alright, so if you're looking at how to install the J54 54-inch Dozer Blade for your CASE garden tractor, check out the link above and in the link in the description. We have an install video for you. If you are interested in the adapter plate, so finding the manuals for these tractors is a little hard. It takes a little bit of legwork, but they're out there. Sometimes on the groups on Facebook or some of the other forums, not everyone's the nicest. So I'm going to tell you guys, for the early production year garden tractor series, this behind me is my 1976 CASE 446, and I have the J54 54-inch Dozer Blade on it. So let's take a look. All right, as you can see here, we have the mounting arm right here, and this is the adapter plate. Now, the adapter plates sometimes are far and few between, especially if you find one of these for sale. You may not have an adapter plate. You might have to make your own. I've seen a couple options out there, but to make sure that you're putting the adapter plate and the mounting arms in the right holes, on the manual itself, this is for early production year CASE models. So, this top hole right here, you're going to see behind the cotter pin, they got the top hole. That would be for a CASE 210, 220, 222, and a 224. And the bottom hole, and you can probably guess it, is for the 4 Series CASE 442, 444, 446, and 448 models. And just to get you a better look at how it's mounted, 2 bolts are right here. Your stationary pin is up there, just so you can see that. And there is your lift arm. So, bottom bolt is for the 4 Series, top bolt is for the 2 Series, early production year CASE models. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding the Dozer Blade, or anything CASE garden tractor wise, leave it in the comment section below. We'll try the best to answer it, or at least point you in the right direction of where you can find that answer. If you guys like anything fishing, tractors, auto, 2-8, or freedom, give us a subscribe on this page. Check us out at RealAmericanOutdoors.com, Facebook, Instagram, and we'll catch you next time.